All right, today we're doing Martin's hardtail. Martin's got a 1999 Harley-Davidson Sportster, and the hardtail is from TC Bros. And the video might feel a little clunky. I lost some of the footage when I was getting it off the camera. Sorry about that. So without further ado, this is Martin's hardtail. No, that was pretty sick, dude. I like what you did with the neck. I didn't do any of that on mine.
Yeah, I
should have done more of that, honestly. It's so sick.
Yeah, it definitely looks like it looks a lot cleaner. Doesn't have like that big little thing in the
the gas tank mount.
But it did take a fucking long time. It took like I went at it. I didn't like spend like a long time every day. I spent like at least like an hour or two every day. It took me like a week.
Yeah, no, I believe it. There's so much metal. There's like multiple pieces just like welded in there. They don't want to see them through. Okay. I think this way is easiest, right? Tip her up. Okay, and then just tip that toward you, like that, and then swing around. Oh, fingers. We get a better hold.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. There.
I'm shocking.
Just let it do its
On its own.
Okay. That's a lot better.
Yes, sir. Hell yeah, dude. You filled the gap perfectly. Yup.
But I spent just a little bit more time on the bottom and it helped a lot.
Yeah. That's a lot thicker metal too, I would imagine, than the frame, even though the frame's pretty thick stuff. That plate you got in there is pretty, I think it's thicker. So yeah, that makes sense, having to spend a little bit more time on it. Yeah, it looks great, dude. Awesome.
Bro.
Thanks for watching. Thank you, Martin, for letting me film. I do apologize for losing a shitload of the footage. If you've made it this far, do me a favor, subscribe and stay tuned. We'll probably do a follow-up video at some point in time, just to see how his bike turns out. All right, thanks again. Peace.